up, Quick Hands today? I'm out here in a crazy freaking store. Oh god, speculating. And yeah, here. Pouring in here right now. Pouring it right now. There's a big storm going on. I have the balls to go outside. I have none of us want to go outside. I don't want to go outside. Actually, hey, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna play this. Alright. So I'm just hanging out outside. I'll push you down the stairs, but keep in mind, guys. I'm supposed to go downstairs. We're in Sarasota right now. We're supposed to go down. Push down to the keys today, tomorrow. My cousin, with the cousin Gia. But hey, we can't go because yeah. Hold on here now. Yep. Yeah, it's stuff here over here. Sorry about my hand. Oh god, I should just wait. No, it's pretty scary out here. Kind of scary out here, but welcome to my life. I want to get like a big thunder. Lightning strikes. I'm Zeus. I'm Zeus. Let's lightning strike. Oh. Yeah. Hanging out here. Let's go to bed after. Lon is inside. She's like, oh my god, what's wrong with him? Tenzing's doing some sticker collecting. He's doing his FIFA stickers right now because he's like, everybody's watching me out the window. I'm going to get down. They all came down. Everybody's watching me. Oh my god, look at the water coming out of me. Oh my god, I'm getting flooded. Ah! I'm backing up. I'm backing up this. It's kind of like 70 out here. It's freezing. I gotta find my way up. I gotta find my way. I think I'll do like a big spot there. I'm planning my escape plan. I'm just gonna hang out here for a few minutes. Yeah, I'm about to go inside, but, yeah. I'm recording second vlog later, because on my iPad, I'm gonna start cutting things. When I plug my computer, plug this into my computer, I'll just add some, yeah. Alright.